What's going on? What are you doing?
I just got all these 3 pieces out of the glass.
What is that?
5-pound gummy bear.
What?
Let's go smash it.
What?
Can you open up the door
Oh
for
my
me,
gosh.
please? You coming, Gavin?
Come on, Puffmaster. Hold on, hold on. What's going on here?
You let's share this piece. I'll throw mine on the floor. You guys gotta go. It's not gonna break. Yes, it is. Hey, get the dogs away, Gavin.
Whoa, what do you mean it's not gonna break? What's actually happening here? What do you have?
A sledgehammer.
What?
Yeah. Oh wow, there's some.
What are you guys doing?
Watch out, you might fall backwards.
Hold on, whoa, slow, what, oh, hold on, first of all, you're holding a sledgehammer. Second of all, you've got your dogs around.
Hey.
And third of all, what's going
doing?
on? What's going on? Please explain.
All right, I have a 5-pound gummy bear, and we tried this video.
Wait, what is a 5-pound gummy bear?
I went to Venice, I saw it, and I was just like, I gotta use this for a video. So, yesterday you guys saw the video of me and my older brother and my younger brother trying to eat it, and that didn't work out. So my dad brought up the idea of freezing it and trying to sledgehammer it. So we're gonna do that right now.
Do you think it's gonna snap?
Do you guys think it's gonna snap? Comment down below.
Pause the video.
Wait,
Are you serious?
I don't want to break the concrete.
Yeah, so what are you gonna do? Wait, just...
Oh.
It's so weird.
Oh.
Let's just
Dude.
put it on that brick.
Yeah, put it in the floor on the brick.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, you're going out of town this time. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. Yes.
We gotta work on your sledgehammer skills.
Yeah.
Bro, what are you doing? We got, seriously, are you? All right, dude, we're gonna take some time off the bike and work on your sledgehammer. Hey, there we go.
Hit it! Congrats!
Boom!
Oh, it broke!
Dude!
Oh my god.
I don't think I've ever seen a gummy bear shatter.
Sounds like a straight...
Another piece!
Alright, so are you gonna eat it now or what?
I'm good. You know what?
I want to try to hit this one.
Smash 500 likes.
Let's see if Puffmaster's got some better sledgehammering skills here. He can barely pick it up. What do we got here? What do we got here?
I'm sorry. I don't know. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Here we go. Puffmaster!
Mine was dead.
Definitely not the sledge master here. Oh man!
It's hard.
I was
It's
better
heavy.
than that.
You were not.
Oh!
Hit it on the
There it is.
side.
Bailey. Okay, just let me do this.
You do it. I can't. It's hard to break because it's so like gooey.
Yo, solid hit. Solid hit, bro.
It's super hard to break.
WBMX turned into W Sledge. It's W the sledgehammer. Boom!
I could chop through it. That brick disintegrated within seconds.
Dude, what is up with this thing?
Careful of that concrete.
Move it.
That's good. Keep it.
You're getting close to that concrete.
Oh, look at you put a dent in it.
You know what, guys? I just don't think this is gonna happen.
Oh! Ooh. Ooh. It's like rocks in there.
Whoa! It's like a whole new world in there. Look at that thing.
Ooh. Get that off. Oh, that's so cool.
You know what I should make the title? Look at
Oh, that
this rock.
smells so good.
Look at this rock we found.
This smells so good.
Let me see it.
Clickbait.
It just looks like a bunch of rocks, like crystal rocks in there. So,
Are you making pieces for dessert here?
I guess so. Look how cool they look. Look at this. It's so cool.
Alright, you gonna eat one of these little pieces here or what?
That was a bite.
You guys, it turned into gum. Can you get through this one? This one's like, let me sledgehammer that one. Let's just go like this. Watch how.
Talk about quality content. This is great, you guys. Oh, well, dude, move. You gotta move that. You're gonna be grounded for weeks if you hit that thing. We gotta get that out of the way.
There we go.
There we go. Watch the concrete. Oh, dude, Dad's gonna take a sledgehammer to you if you hit that thing again.
Oh, it's breaking.
Oh, bro, dude.
Look
Let's
at
get
my
off.
shoes.
Let's get in the dude. Jeez. All right. Well, at least Justin, if he puts a hole in the cement, we'll have proof.
Oh, it's actually gushy now. Ew.
Oh my
That's like splashing all over the place.
dude.
Oh, it's so cool though.
Wow, that was a big turnout.
Make rocks out of it. This is called cooking show.
Hey guys, this is seriously just crazy. It was like, did you think this was gonna happen?
I didn't think this was gonna happen. That's for sure.
I didn't.
This one looks the coolest.
I didn't even really think it was gonna smash.
Oh, dang.
Dang.
What does it look like?
All right.
It's like stuck to the ground.
Ew.
Dude, flip it over.
You want to turn this?
Oh!
It's like a.
Looks like
Spider.
scat.
How?
It looks like scat. Look at my shoe.
Look at this one. Look at the bottom of that one. You can just see bite marks. Let's get this one.
So who's gonna clean this up?
Gavin.
Okay.
Mom!
Let's just hop the fence and hope that my mom can do it.
You know, we could pick up these big pieces, but these little pieces, they'll just melt.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah, melt right into the concrete. That sounds nice.
No,
Yeah,
I'll
it's
brush
just
it off
like nice
into the
and
dirt,
gushy
but-
when you step
All right.
on it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can we smash 250 likes on this video? If we can, that'd be
can
amazing.
smash that
Also,
now.
go check down in the description. Go subscribe to Dustin's channel.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby. All right, peace out, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Oh.